Grandma took me to Target. I'm gonna do a little Target haul because I just came from Target, and Target is my whole life. By the way, if you're like, where the heck are you? I'm in my grandmother's bathroom. I'm spending the week with my grandma, so one of the things me and my grandma do is we like to go on Target runs when I'm in the US, so I just want to show you guys everything I got. Here's my little Target bag, and I'm just gonna go through and show you guys what me and my grandma, no, she has her own bag, but I'm gonna show you what we got from Target. I'm not gonna show you what she got, I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. By the way, there was a time where I stopped supporting Target, but they seem to clean their act up. So, yeah. Plus, I love Target because a lot of stuff, like I can't get out when I live in Dubai, so I can't get a lot of this stuff out in the world. So I like to stock up while I'm here in the US. I'm not here for much longer, so yeah, I'll show you everything I got from Target. By the way, you guys, my lash and brow and edge serum is back on my website. How cute. I have new packaging and everything. How cute is my packaging? The little tiny earths. Back up. How cute is my packaging? And in the order, if you order my lash, eyebrow, edge serum, because you can use it on your lashes, your eyebrows, and it's what I use to grow and take care of my edges, my eyebrows. It's what I use to take care and grow my lashes, eyebrows, and my edges. It's now available on my website. And it comes with 2 bottles. 1 bottle you can use on your eyelash line, and 1 bottle you can use on your eyebrows. You guys, this you can go to my website for the ingredients, but it is vitamin E, castor oil, frankincense, and sweet almond oil. And I've been using this concoction on my lashes for, I don't know, over 2 years, and I get all my ingredients from, I went to Oman to get my frankincense oil. I get my castor oil, my almond oil from the Emirates. It's the best lash brow growth serum you'll ever find in the world, and it's on my website. This is my personal one, obviously, but every day I just, a little too much. Like that. All right. Don't you love my grandma's bathroom? She's very old fashioned and she loves anyways. Okay, let's get into the Target haul. So I got some of my favorite food items, which I love these eggs, pasture raised organic eggs, because I eat eggs every single day of my life. And I got milk, which is one of the best almond milks. You guys, not all almond milk is created equally. Some have a bunch of crap in them. Some almond milks have a bunch of sugar and gum and nasty chemicals. You guys, look at this ingredient list. It's only filtered water, organic almonds, and pink Himalayan sea salt. This is one of the best almond milks you're ever going to find. So I got me some almond milk because I make my own matcha lattes. Okay, and then I picked up these little vitamins from Lemmy. They're little gummies. They're little matcha gummies. I don't know. I don't know why I picked those up, because probably not even that good for you, but whatever. Okay, on to beauty. I heard about this brand. They only sell it in the US. It's Millie Bobby Brown's brand. She has a brand called Florence. You know, this is the girl, Millie Bobby Brown. This is her brand, so I just bought it because it's her. But I guess these are acne patches. So when you have I don't have any blemishes, but if you have a pimple, you just take one. I thought these were so cute. I mean, I don't want to ruin the box. It's so pretty. But yeah, if you have look, these are whales. I can't. They're just adorable. So they're the cover-up blemishes, and apparently these butterfly ones. I wish I had a pimple or something. No, I don't wish that. But if I did, and when I do, yeah, it says apply them for 8 hours, and then it will heal your pimple or whatever, but I just thought these were so cute. So I picked those up, and then I picked up Under Power pore cleansing strips. This box looks opened, but I don't know, the pore cleansing strips. I guess you put them on your nose or your chin, to, if like you have blackheads or whatever. Huh? Yeah, I'm spending time with my grandma right now, and we are best friends. She's literally like one of my best friends in the world. But anyways, then I got Florence eye patches. I guess they're just eye patches, you know what I mean? I like these to wear on when I get off of a... Oh, they're so cute. They're sparkly. Oh, I'm gonna love these. I like to use these eye patches after I get off of a long flight. So I'll love that. I love her packaging. How pretty is that? And I love purple these days. Like purple, I love, and my man bought me this purple. I love the color purple. It's like her whole brand color or something like that. Okay, what else did we get? Okay. So I got some press-on nails. I love press-on nails in between when I haven't had my nails done, so I got these press-on nails and these press-on nails. I used to wear these a lot. I like these ones a lot. These are some neutral ones. I haven't had my nails done since being in the US, so, because I don't really like just anybody doing my nails. And my nail girl is in Dubai, so those will be nice in between until I get back home. I got some more hair ties. Best cleanser in the world, and this is always cheapest in the US. When I buy this out abroad, it's always like 10 times more expensive, but this is one of my favorite face washes of life, the hydrating facial cleanser. This is one of my favorite face washes on the planet. So I got one of those. What else did we get? Okay, I also picked up the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo. I haven't used this since I was like in high school, but I just thought I'd pick one up because I never see this brand, Shea Moisture, when I'm out traveling. I don't see it too much. Then I picked up this Phyto Glow Lip Balm from Serum. Again, this brand is only in the US, I think. I don't see this brand when I'm out traveling, so. And I love this brand, the brand Serum. Okay, Phyto Glow Lip Balm. I actually don't know. Oh. Cute. Love that. I'm a lip balm girl. If I see a lip balm or a lip gloss, I'm going to buy it, okay? Pick that up, and then I got this. I never see my color with this concealer when I'm out traveling, so I used to love this. I have not used this concealer since I was in high school. This particular brand I haven't used, but I know it's good. And like I said, I never see my skin color when I'm traveling. Like I can never find the right tone for my skin, so I don't know. Whatever, we'll try it later. And then I picked up this Naturium facial cleanser. I'm gonna do the YouTube hold thing. Cleansing. I like little ones just to keep in my carry-on, you know what I mean? What else did we get? Okay. I also picked up this Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. I don't even know what that means. I think it's a mascara. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. We'll see how it is. We'll see. Try it out. And then Rosemary Mint Scout, you know, the OG. I tried this before and I kind of liked it. I don't know, I didn't get the hype because for me, you guys know me, I'm a rice water girl, okay? When it comes to hair growth, I'm going to stand my ground. I don't think anything's better than rice water. But sure. This worked fine. I don't remember being crazy about it like the whole world is, but maybe I just need to try it again. But I'm always going to be a rice water girl. Nothing grows your hair like rice water. I will go to my grave saying that. Oh, I also picked up, you guys already know how much I love the glycolic acid. What? Seems like all these are opened. I hope not. Usually it's not opened already. Who knows? Glycolic acid. All right, what else did we get? Oh yeah, I got another pair of press-on nails. Those are cute. I might put those on right when I'm done filming. What else did I get? I got some house stuff. I want to bring this back to Dubai. It's a cast iron little mini skillet because I make eggs every day. So it's like a little egg bowl. I mean, egg dish. I want to make my eggs in here and then just eat them from here. I thought it was cute. I'm bringing that back to Dubai. And then I got, you know, things. What did I get? I also got a little pajama set. They left the thing on! No. No. They left the thing on. I'm gonna have to take it back. Because I can't take that off. There's a little pajama night set. That's so annoying. Okay, and then I got a concealer from NYC. I used to love this brand back when I was in high school. And then, oh, I picked up a little sweater. I thought this was cute. Isn't this cute? Maybe not. I don't know. I never picked up clothes from Target before, but my grandma said it was cute, so I picked it up. My grandma said, like, isn't this so cute? You look nice in this, so I got it. And I think that's everything. I have a bowl. I got a bowl, but that's everything. A little Target haul. Yeah, me and my grandma, we love to shop. So I'm spending the week with her, so we're probably gonna head out shopping again tomorrow. If we do, I'll do another haul. But it's one of the ways we bond. We're both shoppers. She is more than I am. Anyways, that's my little Target haul. And yeah, by the way, just want to let you know that my lash serum is back. You can use it to grow your lashes, your eyebrows. It's the serum I've been using and making myself for like over 2 years. You guys already know. It'll grow your lashes like crazy, edges. It's just amazing. So yeah, it's available on my website now. And if you order that, you'll get my new packaging starting today. I just got my new packaging in the mail, so how cute is that? Any of my orders will come in my new little earth package. Anyways, yeah, that's my little haul. So see you guys in my next video. I gotta go talk to my grandma. We gotta talk and show each other what we bought because I didn't show her yet. So we need to go compare items. I think she got some of the press-on nails too. I don't know. So yeah.